Welcome aboard. Skylark Outdoors here, and today we are going to review the 2024 Bayliner M17 Element, which we've got right here at the Palm Beach 2024 International Boat Show. So this is a unique boat in that this is probably one of the lowest cost boats at the boat show. And even though it says $30,000 right here, I went on the online marketplace to build one of these on the Bayliner website, and I was able to get one for $24,160. Now, this boat is a 17-foot boat that can fit 7 people, and you can put anywhere from a 60 to 90 horsepower engine on this. But what I like most about this boat is its weight. It weighs under 2,000 pounds when it's empty at 1,984 pounds, and then is 2,400 pounds on the trailer, which means that you're going to be able to tow this with most cars and SUVs that are capable with towing. As we go through a tour of this boat, you can see you've got some seating up front in the bow rider section of the boat. You've got your helm seat, which is a bench captain seat, and then you've got a rear facing seat. As you go through this, you can see it's nicely laid out. You've got this overhead canopy to give you some shade, which I really like, and then that folds down for transport and or storage. And then you can see the back of the boat here. We've got 2 seats, one on each side, rear facing. So if you are doing some kind of water sports like a tube or water skiing, you're going to be able to look backwards. Now, this is a smaller boat, but with that lower price point, it does give you some flexibility and options to get into a boat, to have fun on a smaller boat, and then you could always upgrade in the future. It's got a sound system here. You can see the speaker on the left. I believe there's a couple other up in the front, and it has 9 cup holders, so it's got 2 extra cup holders for the number of people you can fit on the boat. You can get a ski tower with this or a ski pole, and you just put that in the back of the boat, and that's going to allow you to attach a rope so you can tow a skier and tuber. Now with 60 to 90 horsepower, you're going to be limited at the size of skier or tuber that you can tow, but you're going to be able to get smaller frame skiers or tow somebody on a tube, no problem. It's just a matter of how fast you can go. So we give you the back shot here, and you can see kind of everything that this has laid out on it. You've got those 4 cup holders in the back, and it does come with a swim ladder. You've got a couple of cleats. Overall, it does have a spacious layout for 17 feet. You can fit a lot of people in there, and you do feel like you have some space. So they really did optimize what they've got for this size of boat. Yes, it is a small boat, but it still gets you out the water. And what I did like about it is you could choose whatever hull color you wanted online. It looked like they had a gray hull, black hull, blue hull, and you could customize it with some options that you want. But like I said, I configured it, and out the door, $24,160. Now that's going to be depending on your dealer, but on their website, that's what it would do with a 60 horsepower outboard motor. And I do like its outboard, which means that you can take this in salt water or brackish water, and you're still going to be able to clean it out and have less issues than a traditional inboard motor, because you can just flush that outboard motor out, as well as your maintenance issues are going to be less. Typically with an outboard motor, less work for winterizing rather than an inboard. So I do like the flexibility of an outboard. I like how light this boat is, and it's something unique. Is this the flashiest boat on the water? No, but can you have just as much fun in this little boat? I think so. So thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.